Hey everyone, welcome back to Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, April the 12th. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here at Footwear Fabric Studio.
I'm Lisa, I'm the shipping manager.
And this is just a series where we like to highlight the Friday newsletter with y'all and then proceed to go out into the warehouse and show you all of the fabric in person. We should get started.
Let's go.
First off, we have this week's Friday bundle, which is called Country Life. This is a 10-piece fat quarter bundle priced at $36.96. This is a very farm-themed fat quarter bundle, meaning it has cows, chickens, barns, and windmills, all in a color scheme of teal, aqua, gray, cream, and tans.
Next we have the Sunflower Meadow from Andover. We have the Yardage and Summer Picnic Quilt Kits. This palette has got orange, green, yellow, neutrals, and accents of black and white, and it's got some butterflies, sunflowers, and some really nice summer patterns. Go check this out.
Next we have Blue Escape Coastal from Riley Blake. With this one we have the full collection. We also have fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, 2.5-inch roly-polies, and also the Sea Breeze quilt kit with that one. This is a very coastal themed group, so I'm talking a lot of blues and whites and taupes with different patterns such as seashells, starfish, and florals. If you're into any sea-themed groups, you can go make sure to check this one out.
Okay, and next we have the Picnic Florals from Riley Blake. We have the Yardage Full Collection, 108-inch quilt backings, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, and 2.5-inch roly-polies. This has got a lot of summer strawberry coming in for the spring. Very bright, vibrant colors. It's got reds and pinks and some greens for the leaves, and it's very, very springy. So spring is here now, so it's nice to check that out and maybe have yourself something for the cool spring mornings.
Next we have Ranch Hand from Andover. With this one we have the full collection and also the Wrangler quilt kit. This is a very Western themed group, so you can expect skulls, ropes, horseshoes, and a lot of other things like that in a very neutral tone. So you're talking tans, browns, maybe some grays in there. So if you're into any Western themed groups or you're doing like a cowboy themed project or anything, this group might be right up your alley, so make sure to go check this one out.
Today we've also got this Windflower Quilt Kit. It's beautiful, got some fall colors to it. It's got some maple leaves, and it is on sale, regularly $119.96, and it is on sale for a lovely $79.96.
That's a steal.
Yes, it is. It's very good. It's very nice for the fall that's going to be coming up soon.
Next, we have our 2024 Spring Mystery Kit. This one is called Sunshine on My Mind. We have talked about it the past couple of weeks now. This Spring Mystery Kit now starts this coming Monday. So you just have this rest of this weekend to go, and then we start this kit. But that being said, all of our kits are already almost sold out. So if you haven't gotten one yet, make sure to go grab it while you still can. We have a Facebook group called the Footwear Fabric Sewing Room. If you're not part of that, this is going to be perfect when it comes to doing any of our quilt-alongs. We have multiple different quilters in there that are also going to be quilting along with you. So any progress reports you're going, if you have any questions, any problems, this is going to be a perfect group for you just to go join and talk with others and work on this kit together and, you know, maybe meet some new people you can quilt with. Like I said, only a few left, so make sure to go check it out while they're still available.
We've got Apothecary from Timeless Treasures. We've got the full collection Yardage and fat quarter bundle. It's got some spellbinding bookshelves, cats on trees, celestial sky, and skeletons dancing in the color palette of purple, black, pink, blue, and yellow. And I think that you will like this one.
Next we have Petra from Blank Quilting. With this one we have the full yard collection as well as matching 108-inch wide backing, 24-inch panels, as well as the Quite Contrary quilt kit. This group has a bunch of paisleys and medallions and a couple florals in a color scheme of purple, pink, turquoise, and ivory. If you wanted to feel very royal, you could with this group. If this group interests you, make sure to go check it out.
Also today we've got our April bargains. They are loaded fresh daily. Lots of new stuff that we've got going on with some good sales. There's a minimum half-yard cuts in there, so go look and see what we've got and come back every day and check and see what we have.
And with that, that's going to do it this week for our Friday Fabric Finds. Thank you for coming and checking it out. If you do not mind, make sure to hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe with the bell next to it so you get notified when we upload. On top of that, if you could leave us any comments, we love to go and read and check those out. Maybe highlight those in one of these episodes. Who knows? You never know. Thank you for coming and checking us out, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.
Bye.